TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 9 a.m., 30 minutes until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as it looks like all major indices looking to open higher this morning. Dow Jones positive by 11 points, trading at 24,554. NASDAQ positive by 17 points and looking at an S&P positive by 1 point. With 30 minutes until that opening bell, let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Here's our S&P 500, currently trading 2669 off the lows of the morning session, really since about 8 o'clock. Quite a run it's had, about 4 or 5 points from that level. NASDAQ 100, quite a nice run it's had as well, 6423 on the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30 towards the higher range where it's been this morning, 24,558 on the March 2018. Hard to believe it that we're in March 2018 futures contracts. Euro US dollar. So the news here moving some of the euro, gold, we'll jump over. You had CPI rising 0.4% in November, pretty much in line with expectations. Core rate was 0.1%, excluding food and fuel. And digging down in here, Labor Department said on Wednesday, CPI increased 0.4% last month, edging up 0.1% in October. That raised the year-on-year increase in the CPI back to 2.2% from 2% in October. So as we jump back to the markets, we see some euro strength, dollar weakness on that number, 117, 55 in the euro US dollar. Gold spiking on that number as well, 1247.05. And jumping back to crude oil, currently 57.53 in the crude oil contract. And, of course, we'll have EIA inventories today, hour and a half from right now, for crude oil. We'll see how that shakes out. And fundamentally, news, how it will shake the political landscape. You had the Alabama Senate race last night with Doug Jones, the Democrat, beating the Republican. So there's going to be even more of an emphasis to make sure that tax cut gets done in the next couple weeks, and news breaking on that, not news, but there's going to be rhetoric all over the place. GOP tax bill might include 21% corporate tax rate. We'll see how that shakes the market, see where that sends the indices. Stay tuned. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. We'll have those EIA numbers. Then, of course, we have swim lessons. Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, and Tom O'Brien this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody.